Alright guys, going to take a shot at the Effingham train station and an Amtrak station. They've got some other shops in here now, but this is the old train station here in Effingham. And we do have a train coming. Again, this is up here in Effingham. This is the old depot, the Amtrak station, and it's also where the lines cross. And we're getting ready to have a train come through here, where the CSX and the CN line cross. So here we go. Looks like we have, yes, it's Canadian National. It's lashed up with something. We'll see. Let's follow him up. There he is. Second one today. This is my first train today, so I'm on the board. But I missed one earlier. I forgot where my camera was at, so I missed him, and he had a DPU, a couple DPUs, and I missed it. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go over and check on the CSX line now, see what we got here. Like I said, this right here is where they interchange, or cross CSX and Canadian National. And again, like I said, the Canadian National, it runs north to south here. And if you go on south down here, that's the Effingham train yard. And then we also got, which this was kind of cool, they took these, I think they either replaced these or took these out, but you can see those were the cross tracks that they took out and replaced and put these in. But anyways, over here, this is the CSX line, and the lights are over there, which I'm going to go check on here pretty soon. Like I said, this is north Northbound, Canadian National, and Southbound Canadian National. And then, like I said, on this other side, there's the depot there. But on the other side here, we've got, this is going east on the CSX line. They run 2 tracks, as you can see here. They run 2 tracks, and then this runs west, so St. Louis. You know, a lot of them are heading to St. Louis and beyond, obviously. But anyways, yeah, this is kind of train heaven here, man. You get as many trains a day as you want, and the Canadian National Line seems to run constantly. There's probably 40 trains that run through here, you know, day and night, maybe 45, 50. Just seems like there's a lot. So anyways, but I just kind of gives you an idea. And like I said, the depot's over here. This is where the Amtrak, this is where they stop and do their pickups, which I'd like to catch an Amtrak eventually. This is where I caught the 2 a while back, coming together, racing down the tracks. But again, I'll show you. Here's some more train horns. Let's see here. Trying to keep this steady. But anyways, yeah. So this is the depot. Like I said, here's the Effingham Amtrak. And they're putting these signs up all over down here. They're redoing it. They're redoing the walkway and stuff down here. Like I said, right there's another one. They've got these signs everywhere though. Here's the actual train station as far as like where you get your tickets and stuff from Amtrak. So if anyone is ever down here in Effingham and want to stop in and get a ticket and take a ride, I'd like to take a ride on an Amtrak. I've never done it. So that's something that I would be interested in doing at some point. Me and my wife have talked about it. But they're, like I said, they're redoing everything here, as you can see. They're redoing all the pavement and putting new cement in, new concrete all the way down so the people can load, and they're going to be fixing this up here. And like I said, these are the lights. These are the lights I'm checking. Oh, we got another train, guys. All right, got another one coming through. All right, guys, I'm going to end this one, and then we're going to pick up this next one. As you can see, he is coming, so I can pick up another video here. All right, guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. He's making some noise. Subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Over and out.